So welcome to the today's class. Last class we are discussing downlink and uplink management, how the channel will be taking place. Now today we start module 5. The heading of the this module is radio resource management and mobility management. Means radio resources means wireless network. Radio is nothing but it is wireless devices. Management means how the radio will be work and what are the signals are coming, how the signals will be managed, and mobility management. It is also comes the wireless network and how it will be managed. For example, you can take mobility management. It is considered as a one of the wireless technology. For example, we are using the mobile. I will give the short example for this mobility management. We have two locations are there. One is home location, another one is visitor locations. Home location is nothing but where we are there, means in our area, means it is considered as a Karnataka. Suppose if you go to the Kolhapur, that is visitor locations. Means when you have to entering this area, what happens? Some messages are coming. So welcome to the Maharashtra. You are stay in a pleasant. So this type of the messages will becomes how the manage the this type of the messages will be coming. According to these messages, we have to get the information about mobile users. So this management will be seen in the next topic. Now comes to the radio resources management. One of the PDCP overview. PDCP means packet data convergence protocol. Packet. Packet is nothing but your informations. It contains some informations. Packet data. Packet is nothing but, for example, you can pack the for a milk, whatever it may be. So in that form, data will be convergence, means what type of the information is there, that conversion according to protocol. What type of the protocols we are using, how the protocol is there, it is the sequence wise, it is on sequence wise, we have to study here. In this, the PDCP entity is associated with radio link management. After that, here two channels we are using here. One is the dedicated control channels and dedicated transport channels we are using. So these channels main function is user plan and control plan. How the user plans are there, how the control plans are there. In this user plans means how the data will be used, what type of the data is there, data is it is in the proper way or it is in improper way, we have to see it. So header compression and decompression of internet protocol data flow means the data is there, that data will be compression or in decompression in nature, internet protocol. For example, if you have to make a video, the video size is very large. In our mobile handset, it cannot play. So what to do? We want to that video will be stored in our mobiles. How it will be possible? It is very large, sir. If you have to that video will be copied into your mobile memory locations, you have to play. On that time, what says the mobile says that it is not support, your file is not supported. So what we can do, you have to whatever the size is there, that size, you have to compress it. Suppose if the you have to compress the file, then you have to support it that devices. If you want that compression, another devices you have to compress file will be there, means you have to decompress that one. That that handset or that mobile, it should be supported. Ciphering and deciphering of user plan data. What type of the data is there? It is calculated or non-calculated. If the calculated data means, you have to use in the proper way. If non-calculated data is user means, it is not possible to use in the proper way. So that's why we have to ciphering and deciphering of the user plan data. Whatever the data is there, that data will be calculated manner. If the calculated manner means, the operations will be very smooth. If uncalculated manner, the data is uncalculated manner means, the data will be not handling very smooth. It gives the some interferences, some disturbance to receiving the signal. So according to this, you have to manage. The data will be in the proper way. Data will be in the proper locations in the in the particular calculated way. So this type of the data will be how to manage. In when you have to deliver the data, if you have to send so many data to the at a time, what happens? It gives the some problems. It gives the some interferences. So whatever the data will, if it comes to the management, if the first data, you have to send that first. If you send the data in a sequence way, so what happens? Whatever the data will be sequence way means, you have to receive the signal in the proper way, in the proper directions. After that, buffering and time, you have to set the time. What type of the times, what type of the data is there? What is the time? What is the size of the data? According to size of the data, we can set the time. So in this way, we have to manage the user plan. Next, see, this is the one of the PDCP function for user plan and control plan. You see the control plan, ciphering and deciphering control plan data means auto it is calculated and non-calculated data we can manage it. Integrity protection and integrity verification of control panel data means whatever the data is there, you have to integrate it, and that data will be protections if we coded or decoded method, and coded and decoded data will be verified. The data is there, or data is nothing but even information. The information is proper way or in the proper direction. Whatever it may be, it should be take the carefully according to management. Transfer of control panel data. How to transfer the what type of the data is there in the manage. See the user plan. Packet data conversions protocol service access point means what type of the data is there. Service access point is there, receiving access point is there. According to that we have to work. See, this is user plan and control plan. Sequencing number, I already told, whatever the information is there, that is in the sequence way. If not sequence way means it gives the some problems. And header compressions means you have to, if the large size of the data means you have to first it is compression. When you have to receive the data, then you can decompress it. This process will be there. This is the management processing. Ciphering means you have to calculate the data, means calculate the information, how much information is there. According to that we can take and add PDCP header means packet data conversions protocol header will be there. According to that header it will be work. Now comes to the control plan. Sequence numbering, it is also same. Integrity of protection, you have to give the protection, it is end to end protection is needed. If data you are sending the, for example, you can take uh, online transfer, right? If transfer the money, what happens? Code will be there, that is OTP, one time password. That is protection type of integrity of protection. This type of the information or passing the transferring the money, it will be needed integrity protections. Ciphering, it is also same, calculation is needed. After that, finally it should be added to the protocol wise. So this is one of the topic we have to cover today. Next class we have to discuss some other topic. Thank you.